Hi, first graders. Okay, we're going to read this story, I Live Here. As we read the story, you're going to notice that some words are in bold print. See how the letters are a little thicker than the words next to it? This word here, country, is in bold print. City is in bold print. Building is in bold print. Now, the reason why those words are in bold, or why authors use bold print for some words, is because they want you to know how important that word is for the whole text. The author must think that the country in this sentence is important to the text. The other sentences on this page must tell about living in the country. All right, let's start reading. I live in the country. I live in a house. Not many people live near us. I live in the city. I live in a big building. Lots of people live here. So this bolded word country is defined in the text later. So in the country, you live in a house and not very many people live near you. When you live in the city, you live in buildings usually, and lots of people live there. Let's keep reading. I live in the country. I play in my yard. Lots of kids play with me. Why is this word bolded? Why are these two words bolded? Country and yard. Because the author wants you to know that it's an important word. Wonderful. Let's read this passage. I live in the city. I play in the playground. Lots of kids play with me. What do you notice between these two? What's different? In the country, you play in your yard. In the city, you play in a playground. But in both, lots of kids play with each other. Wonderful job. I live in the country. My school is far away. I ride the bus. I live in the city. My school is near my home. My mom walks with me. Where do you live? Wonderful job, everyone. Sorry, that's for later. Great work. Now, underneath this video, there's going to be a Lumio B button. You're going to click on it so you can do a workbook page with me. Thanks. Have a great rest of your day.